Do you like my nails? Aren't they so gorgeous? Let me tell you all about this company that has partnered with me for this video, Modelones, just so you can check them out and have gorgeous, beautiful nails like you see I do. If you want to learn more about the company, see all the pretty products that they sent me, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video as I show you my very pretty nails from the company Modelones. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. You know I love all things beauty, and so I was super excited to get these products in the mail and try them out for you all. I'm going to tell you about the company, and then we're going to jump right into the demo portion where I show you my pretty nails and show you exactly how I got them step by step. But first, really quickly, let me tell you about Modelones. They are a nail art brand that is for all many artists who seek stylish nail designs and self-expression. As an industry leader, producer of gel nail polish, Modelones team always runs at the forefront of nail fashion and innovative formulas, aiming to inspire confidence and encourage many artists through the power of color. They have so many cool products on their website for you to check out. I will put their website up on the screen right here. All of their products look super cool. Most of them are gel nail polishes, acrylic powder, you have some poly nail gel, and you also have some dip powder, as well as nail tools and essentials. And they also have semi-cured gel nail strips. I was super excited. I picked the items that I thought were the coolest and the newest innovative products, which I was super excited to show you all. Let me get into the demo portion of how to use the Color Cube Solid Cream Gel Polish. It came with a very cute manual inside of the packaging. First of all, let's look at the packaging. Like, these cubes are super cute. You cannot tell me they are not. They are very sleek, very cute. I love that they come with 9 different colors, and you also have a different array. There's many different choices you can choose off their website, as you can see here. These are the ones that I got. I love mostly neutrals, you guys know that, but I also do love my pops of color. And of course, you all know how much I love glitter on my nails, so I was super excited to try them out. I couldn't even figure out which one I wanted to try first because I was so super excited. I decided to go with the best ever Coffee Time Solid Cream Gel Polish Kit. I love it. I love everything that comes inside of the kit. You know, you also get a cool little brush to make sure everything is, you know, done precisely. And I love that it comes with a top coat. I love it comes with a base coat, as well as a cute UV gel lamp. So now let me show you how I got these cute nails. So first, you have to wash your hands thoroughly and dry them. Make sure you wash your hands very well. Get all the oils, lotion, everything off your nails and make sure they are nice and dry. Then you're gonna use a nail clipper to cut your nails to a suitable length. My nails are already short, so I cut them a little bit, but I mostly focused on filing them down. Then gently push your cuticles or rough skin back if you have a cuticle pusher. That definitely helps. My cuticles are okay, so I kind of skip this step. But if you have cuticles that really need to be pushed back or really maintained, then make sure you do that step as well. Then file and shape your nails with the nail buffer and then clean them up with a cleaning brush. I wanted to get my nails into a nice square shape. I love a square shape. If you love round, then make sure your nails are round, etc. etc. Then you wipe off the dust, clean the nails with a cleanser pad. There are cleanser pads, and allow them to air dry for 15 seconds. For the gel application, apply the base coat and cure with the LED UV lamp. 30 to 60 seconds is all that you need. Then once that's done, use the nail brush to dip a small amount of solid cream gel polish. Use whichever one you want. Make sure you just use a small amount. Then you're gonna apply the first coat of color gel and then cure with the LED UV lamp. Once again, 30 to 60 seconds is recommended. After that, you're going to apply a second coat of color gel and cure again with the UV gel lamp. That's going to be another 30 to 60 seconds. Then you're going to apply your top coat and cure one more time with the LED lamp. 30 to 60 seconds is recommended again. And then use some cuticle oil or anything that you want to use to restore your nail health. So that is the entire process. Look at how my nails came out. You know, I had to add a little bit of glitter. I cannot go anywhere without adding a little bit of glitter. You know, I'm an extra kind of girl. And that is it for this video. Definitely check out Modelones' website. I will link everything in the description box down below, and I'm sure you will find something that you like, especially because the world is opening back up and everybody wants to look cute, as well as you can't forget about your nails. Your nails gotta look cute too. So make sure you check out Modelones. I will link everything in the description box down below. Thank you so much for partnering with me for this portion of the video. I truly, truly appreciate it. I love my nails, and this is gonna take me so much less time than having to go to the nail place and wait. Sometimes you're in the nail place for like 45 minutes, half an hour, just waiting to get your nails done. So doing this at home, I absolutely love the ease and comfort of it all, and your nails come out cute. And that's what I love the most about it. So definitely check them out. I will link everything in the description box down below. Check out Modelones. You will not regret it. You will find something for your beautiful nails to make them look beautiful. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess. And if you want to live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you check me out on my other socials. Everything will be in the description box down below. And thank you all so much again. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.